If you're wanting to level up your game and look good rolling down the road, come down and check out this 2016 High Country. 4-wheel drive, two-tone interior, get your memory seating, embroidered headrest. It's got digital and analog gauges, heated steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen radio, dual climate controls. You got heated and cooled seats, navigation, color backup camera. Got a power moonroof. In the back you've got your passenger seating with fold down armrest and cup holders. Then you flip up the bottoms and you get more cargo space. Got your easy step bumper and your receiver hitch. Also has a spray-in bed liner. Come down and level up with us today.